According to us, what should be the result? Some halo must be there round the head. That fellow should walk 2 feet above the ground while talking so slowly with the air and all that. So this is the drishta phala or that nothing else can be the drishta phala. Asataha nivritti, withdrawal from asat. Now you have to see the context. Context is of Brahma Vidya, Atma Vidya. So therefore, what is asat? Anything that is other than sat is asat, is anatma. It is anatma. Some say, no, you should not make division. Everything is atma, Brahma only. Atma, anatma, division should not be made. Yes. Then shut your mouth and don't talk of Vedanta. Paramartha, true. Teaching is at the Vyavahara level. If you are at the level of Paramartha, yes, there is nothing called Anatma. There is one chapter, there is the Bhrugu Gita, no Anatma, Anatma is not there, Anatma is not there, Anatma is not there. But Paramartha. But when you are making Atma, Anatma, Viveka, you have to distinguish. That is the style. That is how Shastra functions. Either you make Purusha, Prakriti, Atma, Anatma, or Aham and Idam, Kshetra, Kshetrajna. These are the methodology of the teaching method. In reality, there is nothing other than Atma, Brahman, and Brahman alone is that. Asataha nivritti vidya phalam syat. What is asataha now? Anatmanaha nivritti. What is nivritti here? Better you know pravritti. What is pravritti with respect to anatma? Running after Vishayas, anatma, with the hope that I will get the anand, happiness. Is it not? That is pravritti. Absence of that pravritti is nivritti. So that was say, nivritti means not running after the Vishayas. Earlier, in the state of ignorance, Vishayas will give me happiness, etc. This concept was there. And naturally, Vishaya Bhoga one used to hanker for. Now, Ananda Swarupa, Atma is discovered. Vishayas are false appearance, Mithya is known. There is no attraction towards the Vishayas. There is no attraction towards Anatma. So that's what. Asataha nivritti vidya phalam syat. Vidya phalam syat. Jnana phalam tu, not ajnana, ajnana phalam. Pravrittihi ajnana, that's the second line. Pravrittihi ajnana phalam is that. So, ajnana phalam, the result of ajnana is what? Is tu to show the contrast from the vidya phala. Is what is to pravrittihi syat. Is pravritti. Pursuing the Vishayas, Anatma, so that some happiness can be gained. This can be verified. Where it can be verified? Mruga Krishnikadau Tadnyadnyayoho Yat Ikshitam. Yat Mruga Krishnikadau Tadnyadayoho Tad Ikshitam. This is seen in the case of mirage or Shukti Rajata, etc. Mirage, a person or a deer, etc., which mistakes it to be real water, what does it do? Runs after thinking that I will get the water. Pravritti. Moment it is discovered that it is mirage, there is no water at all, nobody goes to mirage, because no, there is no water. Like that. In Ajnana Avastha, due to ignorance, Vishayas can give me happiness. Vishayas have got the Ananda. This wrong notion was there. Therefore, Pravritti, Nivritti, now Ananda Swarupa Atma is discovered. Vishayas are discovered to be false. So therefore what? Nivritti. So therefore it says, Yat means this Pravritti and Nivritti, Dhruga Trishnikadav. In the Dhruga Trishnika mirage water, Adi for Shukti Rajata, a shell mistaken for a piece of silver. So that means when he mistakes for silver, he goes to pick it up. And when he picks up also, first he says, कोई देखता है क्या? आजू बाजू में देखता है. Nobody does. That fellow will play. Hey, मेरा है वो. So that he will play. So first nobody ensure that nobody is there. And when he doesn't straight away pick up, he sits there. He sits there and just picks up. Afterwards what? Shall throws nivritti, parama nivritti. Earlier pravritti was there. So they say, Shukti Rajata Adi, Shukti Rajata, so Krishnika Adav, Tadnya Ajnayoho Tadikshitam. It is seen with respect to Tadnya. Tadnya means what? Who knows that it is mirage, he will not go for water. Who knows it is shell, will not go to pick it up. Ajna is what? Who mistakes it for water, runs after the water. Or takes it to be silver, goes to pick it up. Tadnya Ajnayoho is Ikshitam, is seen. There is no change. If this were not the result of what this Brahma Vidya, Atma Vidya, Vidaha means Jnaninaha Asmat Kim Drishta Phalam Kim. What can be the seen result? We are not talking of moksha etc. But from the word standpoint, other than withdrawal from the Vishayas, so therefore, here be careful now. You have got a desire to see serials, means what? अभी तक ज्ञानी नहीं हो गया. You can say, अभी तक ज्ञानी नहीं हो गया. You have got desire for this and that. अभी तक you tell, अभी तक ज्ञानी नहीं हो गया. So otherwise, what can be the seen result other than this? See, Vishaya Bhoga, Vishaya Ananda is required for what? A person who lacks money wants the money because of poverty. This fellow is impoverished because Ananda is not there and he thinks that Vishayas only can go. But Ananda is directly discovered, Vishayas lose the attraction. They must not. Why nivritti? No pravritti to anatma reason is given. See, the pravritti karana is not there. What was the pravritti karana? What was the reason to run after the Vishayas, anatma, to gain the ananda? Now he has discovered his Swarupa ananda. Also he has discovered the Mithya Swarupa of the Vishayas. There is attraction now. There is no, it need not be told at all. You did not have what? Give the dose of Viveka, Vairagya and all that. So already he has reached the goal. Continue.
Ajnana-hridaya granthe vinasho yadyasheshatah aniccho vishayakkinno pravritte karanam swatah. Anvaya. यदि अशेषतः अज्ञानहृदयग्रन्थेः विनाशः भवेत् तदा अनिच्छोः विषयः
Alternately with the vidushah, अनिच्छोः विषयः और विदुषः
किन्तु
स्वतः
प्रवृत्तेः कारणम्
If ajnana along with consequent anatma adhyasa is totally destroyed, for a person who has no desire, what can the Vishayas on their own attract him? Vishayas attract for how? For want of Ananda. Here say, Yadi in case, अशेषतः अज्ञान हृदय ग्रंथि विनाशः भवेत्. If vinasha takes place, total destruction of ajnana hridaya granthi. What is ajnana hridaya granthi? The hridaya granthi caused by ajnana. And what is hridaya granthi? Atma anatma adhyasa that appears in antakarana. See, in antakarana buddhi is inert in nature. Due to chidabhasa, it appears as sachetana. So therefore, buddhi is mistaken as I, sachetana. That is what is that? Tadatmya adhyasa. In the buddhi, tadatmya adhyasa with the sakshi. That is actually hridaya granthi, not of the heart. Not of the heart. Elsewhere it is said avidya kama karma. What is the avidya? Hridaya granthi is so. Hridaya granthi caused by avidya. So therefore it says, so atma anatma adhyasa, where exactly it begins with antakarana. From antakarana it continues to stula body. Because chidabhasa through ahankara goes to buddhi, from buddhi to mana, mana to indriya, indriya to stula deha. So but it starts where? In the antakarana only. So therefore that is adhyasa. That is how it is called hridaya granthi. That also is true. Even the word hridayam, hrid ayam. The hrid of anything means the essential nature, true nature. For example, this death, its hrid is wood, mud pot. Its hrid is mud. Like that, what is our hrid? Chaitanya Swarupa, which is I. But which appears as ayam this, ayam dehaha. See, this is hridaya. That word hridayam itself shows gadbad ho gaya. That's why that pumping heart also is a result of what? This gadbad only. Why? Why have you taken the embodiment? Heart is necessary for embodiment or not? Why you have taken embodiment? For karma phala bhoga. For karma phala bhoga, what is necessary? Tadatmya vidya deha. Why karma phala bhoga? Ajnana. Hrit ayam. So, know the hrit, that tadatmya ayam will go. So then say, when this hridaya granthi यदि अशेषतः अज्ञान हृदय ग्रंथि विनाशः भवेत्, if vinasha takes place, tada then anichyoho. Anichyoho means for the person who has no ichha, ichha rahitasya. Anichyoho means ichha rahitasya. What is ichha? It also shows the one who is parama trupti. Why ichha rahita? total contentment. Why total contentment? Paramananda Swarupa Avapti. So therefore, Anichyoho implies Paramatrupti on account of Paramananda Sakshatkara of Paramananda Swarupa. Anichyoho Vishaya Pravrittehi. Vishaya, if it is Vishaya Pravrittehi Swataha Kinnu Karanam. You have to take that way. If it is Vishaya. Vishaya Pravrittehi. So that means to take to the pursuit of Vishaya, Swataha on his own, Kimnu Karanam. What can be the reason? Means there is no reason. Kaku Prayoga. Question in the sense of negation. If you take Vidushaha, Anichyoho Vidushaha, Kimnu Swataha Pravrittehi Karanam. Anichyoho Vidushaha. So the Jnani, who is Paramatripta, what can be the cause of its own, because of which he can take to Vishaya? No. Automatically what happens? Nivritti. No pravritti at all. Now, when can we know that yes, we have accomplished totally Vairagya? When can we know we have got the Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana? When can we know that we have totally withdrawn from the Adhyasta Anatma Prapancha? What are the criteria? How to know? Who will give the certificate? You only have to get the certificate. Shastra only gives the guidelines. You can tell others, yes, I have got the Atma Jnana, but you can't keep yourself. Andar malum ho to bahut kya hai? So that will say Vairagya, Bodha and Uparati. When they are complete, how can it be known? I told you.
Vasanānudayo bhogye Vairagyasya parovati Aham bhavodaya bhavaha Bodhasya paramovati Vina vrutteranuspattihi Maryado parate sutha. Anvaya Bhogye Vasana Anudayaha
Vasanayaha Anudayaha
Vasananudayaha Vairagyasya paraha avadihi Aham bhavodaya bhavaha
Aham bhavodayasya abhavaha Aham bhavodaya bhavaha
Bodhasya paramaha avadihi ya Lina vruttehe anuspattihi sa tu uparatehe maryada.
This is the test that Vairagya is perfect. What is that? Bhogye means Bhogya Vishaye. Bhogye Vasanayaha Anudayaha. That is no utpatti of Vasana. Vasana samskara. Let me have it. Let me enjoy it. Such type of vasanas The vasana also can be taken desire. Absence of desire with respect to bhoga vishaya. Vasana also means desire also. So, absence of desire with respect to bhoga vishaya. You can find out, don't tell others, but you can find out. So, of course, there are different things. With respect to something, you may have paramaviragya. But there are some weak points where you are caught. So, that is the reason. So, bhogye vasanayaha ichchayaha anudayaha. So, no birth of the thing, no more desire for bhogya vishaya. That is vairagyasya parovadhi, highest point, highest limit of vairagya. Means no desire for vishaya, you can take for certain vairagya has got matured, it has got fructified. Then, what is the bodhasya paramavadhi? Aham bhavodayasya abhava. Absence of cropping up of ahankara, identification with the body. Absence of identification with the body means at times it will not be there, but little occasion is there. That fellow told me like this. On account of what? Identity with the body. So, aham bhavodaya, aham bhavasya udayaha, aham bhavodaya. Aham bhavodayasya bhava, absence of ahankara. So, that is what? Bodhasya paramaha avadhi. It is the final of Atma Jnana, right? No tadatmya with the body at all. Again, ya lina vrittehe anuspatti, that antakarana vritti which has got absorbed in Atma Swarupa. Anandatmana linayaha manovrittehe. Anandatmana means what? Atma Swarupena, Akhandakara Rupena, Ananda Swarupena, Anandatmana, Atmani, Lina, Antakarana Vritti, Anuspatti, no more being born as Vishaya. Vishayasya Anuspatti. Vishaya Vrittehe Anuspatti. Means, mind absorbing the Swarupa, next moment, running after the Vishayas. No. So that is what is total withdrawal. Anuspatti. Sa uparatehe satu uparatehe maryada. It is the final of uparati. So this is how the final of vairagya is absence of desire. Final of bodha is total absence of ahankara. Final of uparati is no more surfacing of the Vishaya vritti. Now, the unsurpassed Ananda, Nirupama Ananda Jnani is being described.
Brahmakartaya sanatitaya nirmuktapayasati. Anyavedita bhogya bhoga palano nisradu vatmadava. Swapnalokikalokavatyagadidam pashyan kvachidlapsati. सदा स्थिततया निर्मुक्त बाह्यार्थी निद्रालुवत् बालवत् अन्यावेदित भोग्य भोग कलनः स्वप्नालोकित लोकवत् इदं जगत् पश्यन् क्वचित् लब्धधीः क्वचित् अनंत पुण्य फलभुक् कश्चित् अनंत पुण्य फलभुक् धन्यवान् आस्ते सः भुवि मान्यः.
He nirmukta bahyartha dhi, the one who is Brahmajnani, is totally free from bahya vishaya dhi, totally free from the cognition, perception of external objects. Why? The reason is given in the earlier phrase. Sada brahmakartaya sthitataya. Always his mind is in the form of what? Brahma Sarupa. Brahmakartaya. The mind conforms to the Sarupa of Brahma, which is totally free from Vishaya, and therefore in the mind there is no Vishaya Vritti at all. Then how the body goes on? Because body means it will little few morsels of food necessary, some clothes are necessary. How it goes on? Yes, you know how? On his own he is not at all. Bala Hidraluvat Balavat. Like a sleepy child or like a sleepy person or a child. See, children, this doesn't apply to Bombay children. I think even nowadays, so when this electricity has come, before it is in the villages and towns, etc., where the lamps and kerosene lamps, etc., children, they used to play whole day. By 7:30, they are log of wood. All that they used to sleep. And the dinner is not ready up to 9 o'clock. And this fellow does it. And afterwards, the mother has to wake this fellow up and drag the fellow. He is not ready to get up. Drag the fellow. And no, he is not in it. He is on Vidralu, half sleeping. And finally, out of disgust, the mother has to push the food in the mouth. And the fellow follows. But is not aware that he has eaten the food. Mommy, yesterday night, you didn't give me the dinner. You didn't give the dinner. This is all. Yes, gulped it, but not aware of that. Or Balavat, child, in play, may eat, but not interested at all. So like that. So Balavat, like a sleepy child, person or a child, or like a sleepy child. Anyavevita bhogya bhoga kalana. Kalanaha, one who takes to, or one who knows what Anyavevita bhogya. The bhogya given by others. On his own, no prompting at all. For example, Ramakrishna Paramahansa. It was Totapari who used to push food in his mouth. Because Totapari found that this upadhi is something unique. Because Totapari could get the Nirvikalpa Samadhi after the practice of 40 years. And Ramakrishna Paramahansa, within no time, and he is not coming out of that. They understood there is a great service to be done by this body for the world, this body needs to be preserved. Otherwise, Totapuri, the such an ascetic, he never remains at one place more than 3 days. He stayed 40 days to take care of this Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. What do you hear? Realize the report. Anyavedita Bhoga. Some little, so even at times, these drums, etc. are beaten to make the person bring to the senses of the world. So therefore say, Anyavedita Bhogya Bhoga Kalanaha. The person who knows or who takes to the bhoga which have been purpose given by others. Kalanaha is such a person. And what about his perception of the Jagat? Yes, person Jagat is like this. Swapna alokita lokavat. Like Jagat alokita, drishta, seen where? In the dream, like dream world, no clarity at first. So that's Sapra, like Pratibhasika Satta, Jokavat. Idam Jagat Pashyan. See this Jagat. Kvachit, then we find that fellow is perceiving the world, and you are telling like Sapna, where is his mind? Kvachit Labdadhi. His mind is absorbed where? Somewhere. Where is that somewhere? Atmani. Kvachit, somewhere means where? Atmani. His mind is absorbed in Atma. That even though his senses are interacting with the Jagat, it is like what? Swapna, like the Swapna Lokava, Swapna Alokita Lokava. This is one meaning. If you take the Kvachit Labdadhi is one whose mind is absorbed in Atma. Otherwise, Kvachit Labdadhi can be this person who is always absorbed in the knowledge of Swarupa, but at times becomes aware of the world. Kvachit Labdadhi, what Labdadhi? Vishaya Labdadhi, Jagal Labdadhi. Generally, mind absorbed where? In the Swarupa. But at times, Prarabdha Vasha says, whatever Kvachit Labdadhi means, Labdha Pratishtita Dhi, Buddhi interacts with the world. At that time, he says, it is Sapna Lokita Lokavat Idam Jagat Pashyan. Generally, mind absorbed in the Swarupa, but at times, it is because of Prarabdha, interacts with the world. At that time, he sees the Jagat like the dreamt world. Such a way is such a who is that person? Kaschit ananta punya phala bhuk dhanya. Kaschit dhanya. Dhanara. Here Dhanara means blessed. Some blessed person. Kaschit. Why that Kaschit? Kaschit. Ananta punya phala bhuk. As though enjoying the result of endless punya. Aste, remain. Saha, bhuvi, manyaha. That person on earth, manyaha means sakala pujyaha. He is worthy of adoration of everyone. That is the greatness of Brahma Jnana. So here, Tikakara Chandrasekhara Bharati quotes famous verse. Says, Punya accruing out of Brahma Vichara is so enormous. What to speak of the person who is absorbed in Brahma Jnana? ब्रह्म ज्ञान नहीं मिला, संडे मॉर्निंग अटेंड करता है संडे मॉर्निंग अटेंड करता है, योग वशिष्ठ भी अटेंड करता है. सो दैट इज दैट ब्रह्म विचार ऑल्सो so much of punya can be gained. What to speak of the person whose mind is absorbed in fact. Today morning only this was to be quoted in the Yoga Vasishtha. Evening also it has come here. So this is a famous, and you might have seen this earlier also. Snatam tena samastatirtha sarile sarvapi dattavani. The source is not from some place. It is said as Sutta Samhita. This is not in Sutta Samhita. Next one is in Sutta Samhita. Natam, see, I will just read it first. Yajnanam cha sahasramishram akhilaha devascha santarpitaha samsarasya samudhrita swapitaraha त्रैलोक्य पूज्योप्यसौ यस्य ब्रह्म विचारणे क्षणमपि स्थैर्यं मनः प्राप्नुयात्. First we have to take in यस्य ब्रह्म विचारणे मनः क्षणम् अपि स्थैर्यं प्राप्नुयात्. यस्य ब्रह्म विचारणे क्षणमपि स्थैर्यं मनः प्राप्नुयात्. यस्य मनः, the one whose mind, ब्रह्म विचारणे, in the inquiry of Brahma, क्षणमपि, even for a moment, means for a while, स्थैर्यं प्राप्नुयात्, become steady, means take to the Brahma Vichara, even for a while. The person whose mind takes to Brahma Vichara, even for a while, do you know, by him, as good as all these are accomplished. What are those? Number one, Snatam tena samasta tirtha salile. Tena, by that person, samasta tirtha salile snatam. Snatam tena samasta tirtha salile. By that person, bath is taken in all the tirthas. Tirtha salila, tirtha puja means like that Ganga and many tirthas are there. So where to take the holy bath? Samasta. In India, whatever you name, they are more in India. Other countries also are there. In some other countries such as holy bath is there, but very rare, very few places. But in India, you don't listen. Any ditch is but there are many things which may not be this, which are not in a good condition now because of the people. They are what? Gokarna, there is a tirtha, 40 tirtha, I think now it is cleansed itself. Otherwise it is very famous tirtha, this thing. But there, all moss, etc. But now I heard they have cleansed it, it is kept pure and all that. See, and this, otherwise people only make wash the clothes, tirtha dasa. See, even Ganga, etc. This is not your bathroom there. You take the soap there and then apply the soap and no. Tirtha snana, how it will be done now? First you should take bath. You should take bath first. And then go and hold your nose tight. 1, 2, 3. 3 dips, get out. You have no business to pollute the Tirtha Kshetra any further. Just 3 dips you have to take. Now they swim and all that they do, etc. Soap you take, etc. No, it is not meant for that. So now, for every snana in every tirtha, there is punya. Now this person is as good as who has taken the what? Snana in all the tirthas. I think in India, at least 50,000 to lakh tirthas. Every village review, every village, and they say, Pandavas had taken the bath in this, etc. This well was dug up by Pandavas, they didn't get the water anywhere, and they put the water. So like that it is, that is the glory of, that is why, Punya is required to take birth here, there. And our Indians now having taken the birth, they will go to some Middle East and something else. I think Pakistan is not a start. Anything other than India. I think only Pakistan and Bangladesh, these two are not. But they will be wanting to, but political situation, they will be wanting to come to India. That's why all these fellows are there here. So that is Natam tena samasta teta sarire sarvapi dattavanihi. Suppose he gives entire earth as in charity. To give entire earth in charity, who it should be? It should be emperor. Emperor of the entire earth. And in charity he gives entire earth. How much punya can they amass? Is surpassing. Sarvapi dattavanihi, as good as he has taken, he has given the entire earth in charity. Yajnanam cha sahasram ishtam. Yajnanam cha sahasram ishtam. As good as he has done thousands of yajna yaga. Akhila devascha santarpita or sampujita. All deities are worshipped by this person. Samsarasya samudhrata swapitaraha. Swapitaraha, one's own ancestor, samsarasya samudhrata, uplifted from the samsara, means has given a better lot to the Pitru. If they had bad lot, he has given better lot to them. Trailokya pujaha api asau. He is worthy of adoration in the entire cosmos. Who is that person? Yasya brahma vicharane kshanamati stairyam manah prapya. Whose mind abides in brahma vichara even for a moment. Now think of it. The glory of brahma vichara is so much. What to speak of brahma jnani? Next verse, not in the Vivek Chudamani, quoted, is from Sutta Samhita 2:20-45. Kulam pavitram janani kritartha vishwambhara punyavati chatena apara samvit sukhasagaresmin deenam pare brahmani yasya chetah. Pare brahmani yasya chetah leenam. Leenam pare brahmani yasya chetah. Whose mind is absorbed in Parabrahma, by him, Kulam Pavitram, entire clan is sanctified. His own Kula, clan is sanctified. Janani Kritartha, the mother is blessed because has given birth to such a person, not like Duryodhana Dushasana. So, mother is blessed. Vishwambhara punyavati chatena. Mother earth becomes blessed because not terrorist and all that. Such a person it has born. So who is this person? Yasya Chetaha, the one whose mind apara samvit asmin sugasagare, in this samvit sugasagara, whose mind is immersed, leenam pare brahmani, in this parabrahma, which is ocean of limitless ananda, the one whose mind is absorbed by him, entire Tula is pavitra, janani trutatha, vishwambara punyavati jati. So, therefore, so that means this Jnani is what? Trailokya Vandya. That is why Mundaka says, Tasmat Atmajnam Archayet Bhutikama. One who wants to prosperities and glories and Atmajnana, better take to Upasana of Atmajnana. Now, if Jivan Mukta Lakshanas are going to be given now, why? See, purpose is to gain the knowledge and become the Jivan Mukta. How Jivan Mukta conducts himself in life can help the others to conform themselves to like that Jivan Mukta. From that standpoint, so Jivan Mukta Lakshana can be sadhana for the Mukshu, and therefore, that is, who is the Sthita Prajna? Whether you call Sthita Prajna, Jivan Mukta, Bhakta, or Gunatrayatita, so Gunatita, so all are Brahmana. In Mahabharata, the word used is Brahmana, not Varnashra Brahmana, Jnani, Jivan Mukta called as so its description. First, Sthita Prajna.
Sthita Prajnyo Yatirayam Yaksadanandamashnuti Brahmanyeva Vilinatma Nirvikaro Vinishriyaha. Anvaya Brahman eva Vilinatma Nirvikaraha Vinishkriyaha Yaha Sadanandam Ashrute Ayam Yati Sthita Prajnaha.
First let us see the definition of Sthita Prajna. Sthita, Sthira, Prajna, Yasya, Sat. The one whose Prajna is Sthira or Sthita. What is Sthira, Sthita? Satatam Vartamanam. Sthira, steady. Again, Sthita, abiding, means what? Satatam Vartamanam. One whose Prajna is always there. What is Prajna? Atmajnana, Brahmajnana. In fact, many describe, give the description of Sthita Prajna as in the Bhagavad Gita. But hardly anyone defines what is Prajna and Sthita Prajna. There was one phrase. Description of the downtown man of realization. Description of the downtown man of realization, self-realization. Sthita Prajna. 7 days. Discourses. Downtown. Modern or something. So, bring some Shakespeare, bring some this and that and all that. So that is it. Unfortunately, nowadays, Vakpatutva, eloquence has got equated to Vedanta. Good pastime is the time pass is better than other time pass. that is that. but you should be precise about it. So, now he says, one whose mind is like this. Brahmani eva vilinatma. Atma here is antakarana. The one whose antakarana is vilina, absorbed in Brahma Swarupa. Absorbed in Brahma Swarupa. Brahmani eva vilinam. Atma means antakaranam. Yasya saha. As a result is what? Nirvikaraha. Harsha, Vishada, Adi Vikaras are not there. Exulting and depressing, etc. Exulting and depression, such Vikaras are not there. Harsha, Vishada, Kama, Krodha, such Vikaras are not there. Vinishkriyaha, free from activities of external pursuit of running after the Vishaya. So, Vinishkriya, Yaha Sada Anandam Ashnute. One who always experiences Ananda Ashnute, that is one Bhukte, experiences Ashnute, Saha Ayam Yatihi. This Yati, Yatnashrilaha, one who has accomplished such state, Sita Prajnaha is Sita Prajna. Now you see who is that. Mind absorbed in Brahma. As a result, Harsha, Vishadadi, Vikaras are not there. Vinishkritaya, no pursuit of any karma, always experiences Ananda Sarupa. Satyayati is called Sita Prajna. And the question is, what is this Prajna? Sita, Stira, Prajna, Yasya Saha. What is that Jnana? What is that Prajna? So that is further explained.
Brahman Mano Joditayoho Eka Bhavavagahini Nirvikalpa Chimatra Vritti Prasneti Kasyate Susthitasa Bhavedyasya Jivan Muktasya Uchyate.
There is alternate reading. Susthita Bhutta Bhavedyasya Sita Prajna Sa Uchyate. Remove that. That is not. Sa sarvada bhavedyasya sajivan muktaishyate. Different readings are there. That meaning is that whoever has got that always is jivan mukta. Or susthita sa bhavedyasya jivan mukta sa uchyate. Or other reading is susthita sa bhavedyasya sita prajna sa uchyate. He is called as what? Sita prajna. Take the reading. Susthita sa bhavedyasya jivan muktasya uchyate. Shodhitayoho
Brahmatmanoho Eka Bhavavagahini Nirvikalpa Cha Chimmatra Vritti Prasnya Iti Kasyate Yasya Sa Susthita Bhave Saha Jivan Muktaha Uchyate.
Actually, this is from Adhyatmopanishad. Even Bhashyakara has not clearly defined prajna in the Gita Bhashya. So Adhyatma Upanishad gives a definition of thought. Adhyatma Upanishad based on 43 and 44 verses, one line each, 43 and 44. We'll see this one.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु